Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Jamaica College up against Campion College, both from St. Andrew. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Jamaica College is represented by team captain Jemani Shakespeare, Romain Bryan, Malik Dilworth, and Fabian Morris. While Campion College is represented by team captain Giovanni Gregory, Crew Shirley, Julia Dunn, and Davin Ricketts. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth match in round 3 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host Yvonne Chin Irving and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss, Campion College won and decided to let Jamaica College go first. So we begin with Jamaica College. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Jamaica College, mathematics. Roman numerals MMCCXVII is equivalent to which number?
MMCCXVII. 2242.
So this is most definitely
2242.
No, it's 2217. Mathematics Campion. Roman numerals MDCCXX is equivalent to which number?
1720.
Correct. International affairs, JC, it's a visual one. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Salvador Sanchez Serene.
That's correct. President of El Salvador. International affairs, a visual one for you, Campion. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Martin Vizcarra.
No, it's Mario Abdo Benitez, President of Paraguay. Bible knowledge, Jamaica College. In which of the Gospels did Jesus identify himself as the true vine?
Saint John. Saint John.
Is correct. Bible knowledge, Campion. Which of the Gospels records the healing of the 10 lepers?
Luke.
Is correct. Music and audio question, Jamaica College. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Kenny Rogers.
No, it's Stevie Wonder. Music and audio question, Campion. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Benny King.
No, it's Bill Withers. Biology, Jamaica College. In which phase of mitosis does a cleavage furrow first begin to appear in the cell wall?
Prophase.
No, telophase. Biology Campion. What specific name is given to a nerve cell forming part of a pathway along which impulses pass from the brain to a muscle or gland?
Motor neuron.
Is correct. Theatre and cinema visual question, JC. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Anna Gunn.
No, it's Ellen Pompeo. Theatre and cinema visual one for you, Campion. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Michelle Yeoh.
No, it's Sandra Oh. English language, Jamaica College. Give a 7-letter adjective that starts with I and ends with T, which means illegal or unlawful.
Illicit.
Is correct. Campion College, English language for you, give a 6-letter adjective that starts with V and ends with E, which means practical or workable.
Viable. Viable.
Is correct. Jamaica College, general knowledge, which U.S. state is known as the heart of Dixie?
Connecticut.
No, Alabama. General knowledge, Campion, which U.S. state is known as the grape state?
Let's go with California.
California. California.
Is correct. Sport or visual question, JC. Look at the monitor and identify the person, please.
Lukaku.
Romelu Lukaku.
Correct. Sport or visual question, Campion. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
N'Golo Kante. N'Golo Kante.
Correct. Geography, Jamaica College. What is the name of the second major layer of the Earth's atmosphere just above the troposphere and below the mesosphere?
Stratosphere?
Or mesosphere?
Atmosphere.
No, the stratosphere. Geography, Campion. What is the name of the layer of the Earth's atmosphere directly above the mesosphere and below the exosphere?
Thermosphere. Thermosphere.
Is correct. And with that bell, it's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Jamaica College on 4 points and Campion College on 7 points. When we come back, it will be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge quiz returns after these messages.